First of all, let's start with identifying the different components of a pistol. Number one is receiver. This is called receiver or frame. Then we have the slide. This is called slide. And on the other side there is the extractor on this. This is called the extractor. Okay. Number three, we have trigger. This is called the trigger. Then we have the magazine catch. Then we have this is called sear spring. This is the sear spring. This is the safety pin, grip safety pin. This is called the hammer. Then this is the mainspring. This is called sear. This is called sear disconnector, sear pin. This is grip safety. This is called safety lock, and this is called the barrel. This is the barrel ring or barrel lock, you can say. Then we have the recoil spring. This is the magazine, and the last is the grips. These are the grips. We put them on both sides of the pistol. Keep watching for more videos and do check out our channel all about guns. Thank you.